we make a review of this Hegen product bottle for the baby. So this is really good product that I have seen before. So this product is in Malaysia. I bought in Lazada. So this is the best one because it's anti-colic. It's very good. And this one is elliptical shape. The teeth is really, you can, the baby drink like that one. If we face like that, it's difficult for them to drink also. So it will be like that. Okay, they're facing like that. So it's really hand free. Okay, so hassle free cleaning, also easy for you to clean because it's a square, it's not round, even your hand you can go in also, and then very easy to clean. Your hand can go in, and then you can keep also very easy. You can keep also very easy. You can put like that together. Okay, so it's very good. So I bought two. This, and then very easy to clean. When you take out this one, the teeth is very soft. The teeth is very soft. Look at that. It's very soft. Okay, and then it become, it's really soft, and then it will be, okay, how soft is that? It's very soft. Okay, so it's very soft. This is number 3. Okay, this is number 3, and then it's very good. Look at that, the shape. It can be like that, and then the cover is like this. Look at that, and then just press here. You cannot be wrongly because it cannot be closed, tightened. It must be the same like that. You cannot be torn everywhere, cannot, because this is already the fixed like that, the shape. Okay, so it's very soft, it's very soft. Look at that, you can see. And then look, this is the part, this is the one. Okay, so I close. When you close, it's very easy, and then you just like that. Okay, like that. My daughter, this is laughing behind, talking. Oh, then here, this product, and then just close one time. Do not even, just when you lock very fast, just like that. Already lock. Cannot, you cannot, even the baby also cannot go and take, it's very easy. And then very safety, just lock up, pop, like that. Okay, ready. You no need to turn 100 times. Okay, so really good. Look at that, it's a square. Okay, so this is the product. I cannot see properly. Okay, cannot focus also. Okay, just like this. This is the Hegen, and then it's very good. It's really nice. And then the lock also. Example, the lock. Okay, the lock is like this. The cover, for example, like this. The cover also is the same size, the same. The same. You cannot be locked in opposite way. You cannot be like, they just be like that. Okay, so okay, it can be like this. It's very good. So the lock is the children, the baby cannot open easily. Some of the bottle very easy to open. So that's why they play a lot in the baby bottle. Okay, so just press like this. The same, must the same. Okay, you get that, the shape must be the same. Okay, the position must be like that, and lock it. Done. Very easy. Okay, so safety, and then here very good, just like that, very handy. Just bottle, you can, if you want to give to be like that, drink also can, and then just like that, press, done. Okay, so it's very easy and very anti-colic bottle. The teeth is very soft. Safety number 1, hassle free for cleaning. Just clean like that. Even your hand, you can go inside. You don't need also the thing because your hand can go inside if your hand too small. And then it's very good. It's really good. And then you have to be like that. Okay, the name is here. The name is here also. So it's nice and very, very good for the babies. The children, they can drink, they can drink be like this. Look at that, the position is really like that. See, if they drink like that, they cannot drink also. I'm not really sure. It didn't become like that. So it's really good to be like that. The position, that the air cannot go in also. There is no air. So after I change this one, there is no colic from her. The stomach not always pain. And then very anti-colic bottle. Okay, so it's very good. It's very good bottle. It's the very best bottle in the world. That is what I have seen, This bottle, I love it. Then, so it's easy. You can very soft. It's very soft, the teeth. Very soft, the teeth. And this was locked. It's no leaking. There is non-leaking when you close already. The baby's drink never leak also. And then, if the children just put like that one side, there is no, they never leak from here. It's not really easy. So when they put also, it's not really easy unless the children, they will play a lot. Of course, the milk will come out. And then here, just like that, lock it. Easy. Okay, it's very good. Very hassle-free cleaning, anti-colic, and then very soft teeth. Like they can feel like the mother teeth like that. Then, so it's really good. Okay, it's very good for the children. Okay, so I advise you to buy all these product, the Battle Hegen, even costly, never mind, because it's really used for how many years also can. So if you really know how to take care of that. Okay, so very good. That's why I advise to all the mommies here, buy this product. It's really fantastic product. So guys, this is the one, the Hegen product I bought in Lazada. So I will put the description below. Easy for you to buy, and then just press that one. Then very easy for you. And the one bottle you buy, there is 2 pieces inside actually. Okay, it is a 2 together. Okay, 2 together in one. It's a package for 2. Okay, so if you buy the one box, have 2 already. There is 4 pieces also have. Like for example, for the newborn also have, for the starter have. You bought that one also, but I bought this for the 6 month plus already. So you can choose also have for the baby small one if you really want to be anti-colic bottle. This is the one, number 1. So this is very good for the babies and the children, especially for the newborn also. You bought the small one because I already bought the big one. Okay, so guys, this is fantastic. That's why I bought in Lazada, because I'm not really sure the shop here where it is. So easy for me, I bought in Lazada. I will give you the description below, the link. Then you can follow the link from that. You can buy from that link. Easy for you guys. And then, fantastic. This is highly recommendation product for the baby's bottle. Okay, so hey guys, see you soon. Very good product, easy to lock, easy to drink, easy to hold the baby. Very easy for everything. Okay, so clean everything easy, lock very easy. Not really very difficult to turn. That is remember. Okay, hassle-free cleaning. To lock, just few seconds only the lock. The teeth very soft, very good. Anti-colic is the best, important that we have to check for them, because if the colic will attack the baby, it's really painful. We don't know how it is pain and why they are crying a lot. So this is the best bottle for the babies. Okay, so I will recommend this to buy. Please click the link at the description below. So easy for you to buy all these things. Okay, in Lazada, I will show you there. So the benefit is there also. I will show you in the description the benefits. The benefits, the anti-colic is number 1 really, and then very soft teeth. That's all. Easy, and then cover. The thing is really from the medical thing. There's very good benefits in this bottle, this product. Okay, so very good product I bought in Lazada. Okay, so I put in the description in the Lazada. Okay, so guys, I will meet you there, and the description is very good. Okay, see you soon, guys. Thanks.